Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about Sangam period. I request you guys to go through whatever has been discussed regarding Chola, Chera and Pandyas. In a playlist you will find everything. I request you guys to share it to your friends, and there are 800 plus question papers for various examinations. So please have a look. That will be very useful for all competitive examinations. So initially, as I had told that I'll be making one separate video of Sangam period. So I had prepared it, my level best. So you can directly go through whatever has been given here. It was an assembly of Tamil poets held under the patronage of Pandyan kings, and we should remember that these Sangam councils were held because for the suggestions and improvement of their ruling. The first Sangam chairman was Agatyar, was the chairman of for the first Sangam, and second Sangam was, as you can see, given from the Tokapiyar Tamil grammar. It has been, this is the main source. The third Sangam was held in Madurai. Their work was Tirukural, that Tamil. There is a Bible of South who was composed by Tiruvalluvar. So you have to remember that in third Sangam they have composed one book, that is Tirukural, which is composed by Tiruvalluvar. And the disciple of Agastya was Agatyar, wrote a book named as Agatyam. So please remember that. So during this time, every poet have come and they have given their maximum effort towards improvement of their ruling as well as whatever the incidents were happened. So here the disciple of Agastya was Agatyar, wrote the book, that is Agatyam, with Tamil shlokas inscribed in it. As you can see, the glorious text named Silapadikaram and Manimekalai, which was written by Satale Satyanar of Tamil language, which is related to the Hindu religion. As you can see how exactly Silapadikaram Manimekalai looks like, to which place the history of Sangam era is concerned with. So it was held in the ruling of Pandyas in Tamil Nadu. The third Sangam was presided by Nakkiram, was the chairman of the third Sangam council. As you can see, the earliest and the most important deity of the Tamils, you should remember that they have prayed Murugan. He is also known as Kartikeyan, their prominent god among the Pandya's time. The book is considered as an important treatise on the grammar and the rhetorics. We should remember Tokapiyam was the Tamil literature, which is very important grammar and works. The text Tokapiyam is related to the grammar and poetry. The writer Silapadikaram was Hungo Adigal, was written the book Silapadikaram. As you can see how exactly Silapadikaram looks like. The archaeological site which excavation provides with the information about the trade between India and Rome during the early centuries, Arikamedu, is also known as Poduka. So these are one thing which are to be remembered. So during the India and Rome relationship, trade relationship, Arikamedu was one of the important excavations which were exist. The dynasty which has been mentioned in the Sangam literature, there were Chola, Cheras and Pandyas. Their council was main important and literature works have come up. The anonymous writer, the Peripleus of the Erythraean Sea, mentions about Podua, which is Arikamedu. So it is, nobody knows who had written the Peripleus of Erythraean Sea, which mentions about Podua, which is Arikamedu. And the Meenakshi temple, which is located in Mathurai, one of the famous temple, have been constructed during the time of this Pandyas and Sangam period. As you can see, I request you guys to call me on 7666730 or message me for 2100 PDF of GK and GS if you are interested. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.